Alrighty, now that we've got our chocolate chip cookie dough roll cut into smaller pieces and rolled into our Valentine's M&Ms, I'm just go ahead and putting each of these into my muffin tin here. Alrighty, we're just gonna pop these into our oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, in the meantime, I'm gonna grab a bowl. Now I've got my Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake here. I have about half of a container left, and this is the perfect thing to do when you've got, some left over, but maybe not a whole container, or you don't have to use a whole container for this, so I love to use it for multiple recipes. Now I'm using my Jet Puff marshmallow cream. The thing about the marshmallow cream is I like to pan up a spoon to get it out of there because it can be sticky, icky, as one of my favorite artists, Snoop Dogg, might say. Okay, we're gonna just use about half a cup of that, perfect. And now I'm coming in with some strawberry jello. This flavor is so good. You can always use sugar-free jello here if you like. You could use Cool Whip, no sugar added Cool Whip, and then you could just mix that up with your strawberry jello if you wanted to do a lighter on the sugar version of this. But I think this is gonna be a really fun, creamy, decadent, kind of like, almost like a strawberry shortcake. And y'all, this strawberry smells absolutely fantastic. We're just getting this all mixed in here, and then we'll be ready to incorporate this to make a beautiful and adorable Valentine's treat. Alrighty, y'all, we had them baking for about 17 minutes, and now while they're still hot, I'm just coming in with my shot glass and my Pam spray. Gonna give these a little Pam, and then we're gonna start making indents into the center of each cookie here. We're just making a tiny little cup in the middle that's gonna be perfect for some of that yummy, yummy good stuff we're gonna put in the center. And I just like to wipe my little shot glass in between, maybe about every 3 cookies or so. Sometimes I re-Pam it if it looks like it needs a little bit more help. But this is looking perfect. All right, y'all, we're coming back in here with our delicious strawberry filling. I've just got my kind of larger ice cream scoop here. I'm gonna go about half a scoop into each one of our little cookie cups. And of course, we mix this with our strawberry jello, marshmallow fluff, and our no-bake cheesecake, just to give it a really fun, decadent flavor. But you could put ice cream in these. You could do, like I said, some sugar-free Cool Whip with some sugar-free jello if you're looking to cut down on your sugar intake. There are just so many fun possibilities and things to do with this. It's just one of my all-time favorite little holiday treats. And I love that you can kind of customize this for every holiday, with the different holiday M&Ms, Easter, Christmas, 4th of July, Halloween. Alrighty, we're just gonna come in with some of our whipped cream to top this off with a little dollop of daisy, dollop of whipped cream, dollop of sweetness. Of course, you don't have to put this on here, but look how cute and festive this looks. Just finishing up our beautiful little cookie cups here. And of course, my family members who are whipped cream enthusiasts have come to collect their little
The whipped cream tax.
The whipped cream tax, as we call it. There you go. Oh, dropped some on Winston's head. Now we're just gonna use a tiny bit of Valentine's sprinkles and just put these on top. Y'all, Marty is not a sprinkles person. And actually, I had someone write to me, a little girl, and tell me she also does not like sprinkles. But I'm a sprinkles fan. I think they're cute, they're festive, and I like a little crunch. Alrighty, y'all. Our easy little Valentine's cups, so cute. Perfect. Y'all, you gotta try this.